How many hours of sleep do you need according to your age? We are living in a modern world where everything goes fast, the time flies and we all live fast lifestyle. But modern doesn't have to mean it's healthy. Sometimes we don't have enough time to rest, cook proper food or sleep enough. And we all know that sleep is extremely important for all of us. We can't do anything right without proper good night's sleep. When we sleep we are recharging our batteries. Sleeping is extremely important for our health in general. It's important for your body, your mind and every vital function in your body. If we sleep more we can be more productive and we can finish our everyday tasks without any problems. As we said, we all need a good night's sleep, especially people who are suffering from chronic diseases and pain management problems. And here comes the million-dollar question, how many hours do you have to sleep according to your age? Before we answer that for you, you should know that sometimes it's different for everyone. Take this for example, someone sleeps just 4 hours and still can finish his everyday tasks through the day successfully. A recent study has found that a person needs just 6 hours of sleep to function 110%. How much do you sleep? The infographic below was presented by the National Institute of Sleep. This infographic will show you how much sleep do you really need. And you should remember that this is the total sleep you will get through a 24-hour period. So if you take a 30-minute nap, you should know that this counts too. Just take a look at the infographic and you will find out if you are getting enough or less sleep. What did you find out? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Now we are going to show you some useful tips and tricks how to improve your sleep. We highly recommend reading a good book before going to bed. Or you can do these things as well. It will help you sleep much better and wake up refreshed and full of energy. Exercise every day. Don't watch TV 1 hour before going to sleep. Avoid alcohol. Don't drink coffee before bedtime. Develop a healthy bedtime routine. Stay within your schedule. Get a nice mattress and a pillow that suits you. These are the most common symptoms of sleep deprivation. You can finish your everyday tasks. You will gain weight. You need caffeine in order to function properly. You feel sleepy all day. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.